Hi, I'm Mariana Rodriguez, and in this video I am going to explain percent composition using trail mix. Percent composition tells us the makeup of a compound, how much of the total from each element. Just like a trail mix tells us how much of the snack is in nuts, raisins, or chocolate. Now, what is percent composition? In chemistry, percent composition answers out of the total weight of this compound, how much is made of each element. In trail mix, total weight of the mix equals total compound. Weight of each ingredient equals element contribution. For a trail mix analogy, imagine I have 100 grams of trail mix, 40 grams of peanuts, 30 grams of raisins, and 30 grams of chocolate chips. To find the percent of each ingredient, divide the ingredient weight by the total weight and multiply by 100. Peanuts. Peanuts is 40 divided by 100 to 0.4, 40%. Now raisins, it's 30 divided by 1 to 0.3 to 30%. Chocolate chips is 30 divided by 1 to 0.3 with 30%. So the trail mix is 40% peanuts, 30% raisins, and 30% chocolate chips. This is exactly how percent composition works in chemistry. It tells us the recipe of a compound. A word chemistry example is, for example, let's give a problem of find the percent composition of water of H2O. Step 1 is to find the mass of each element. Hydrogen weighs 1 gram per mole, and there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so the total hydrogen mass 2 grams. That it equals 2 grams. Oxygen weighs 16 grams per mole, and there is 1 oxygen atom, so oxygen mass equals 16 grams. Step 2, total mass of water equals 2 grams of hydrogen plus 16 grams of oxygen, and with that it equals 18 grams. On step 3, you have to calculate percent composition. Hydrogen, 2 divided by 18, which is approximately 0.11 repeating. Then multiply by 100, and it is 11% hydrogen. On oxygen, 16 divided by 18, which is approximately 0.89. Then multiplied by 100, it is 89% oxygen. So water is 11% hydrogen and 89% oxygen. Just like trail mix, recipe shows us how much of ingredient is included. Now, why does this matter? Percent composition helps chemists understand how much of each element is in a compound, and it also helps us predict how much compound is needed for reactions. Now, we have to keep track of chemical recipes. Just like knowing makeup is of trail mix helps us, know how many nuts of chocolate chips are in your snack. Now, to summarize this all, percent composition shows the recipe of a compound and divide each element's mass by total mass, then multiply by 100. Using trail mix analogy makes it easier to visualize. Thank you.